Hello, welcome back with another day of 5 English for Construction words. By the way, I'm Steve, co-founder of the English for Construction online course, the one-of-the-kind English course for civil engineers in the world. Okay, and 5 words for today are precast installation, access scaffolding setup, MEP coordination, meeting, material storage plan, and finally sequence of work. Okay, let's dive in. Precast installation, the process of installing the pre-manufactured concrete components, for example, walls, slabs. Okay, for example, precast installation helps reduce on-site construction time. Next, access scaffolding setup. Okay, erecting scaffolding to allow safe access to work at height. For example, access scaffolding setup must comply with safety regulations. Okay, move on. MEP coordination meeting. A meeting to align mechanical, electrical, and plumbing works to avoid clashes. We resolved all clashes during the MEP coordination meeting. Okay, beautiful. Material storage plan. A site plan that defines where and how construction materials are stored. For example, the material storage plan must prevent moisture and theft. Okay, next, sequence of work. The specific order in which construction activities are scheduled and performed. For example, incorrect sequence of work may lead to delays. Okay, beautiful. That's 5 words for today. Remember, as always, please listen and watch to the lesson as much as you can. And if you have any ideas, anything, just leave a comment below. If you like it, please hit share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Bye-bye.